Anyway, the Rahul Gandhi ji, myself, and all our party people started demanding three things. One is caste-based census. Second is that 15.5, Article 15.5 should be implemented to have a reservation for SC, ST and OBC in private institutions. Because government institutions, public sectors, they all are going. They are purchased by some corporators and corporate companies, and that jobs have gone. And no jobs are available for SC, ST and other backward classes. Therefore, we demanded 15.5 should be implemented in government. So government can implement in our private institutions. This is second. The third is our one more point. Third, this caste census, this
15A.
And cap of 50% should be removed. Unless you remove cap 50% cap, you are not going to get reservations for backward classes.